Welcome to this Android channel, and this is the Android and Google news for Friday, September 14, 2018. Today in our tech news, we have how does the Galaxy S9 phone stack up against the new iPhone XS? There have been many reports, and you might be surprised to learn that, or not, that they're quite close in what they can do, and the performance might be better on the iPhone X side. But camera-wise and screen-wise and in just usability, there's not that much difference. In fact, it's pretty much a non-issue, and it's just showing us that there isn't that much more in Apple's iPhone. Report says that there are indeed some employees that are actually resigning over the fact that Google wants to go to China. There's conflicting reports here, but it seems that it's true that some employees are actually saying, look, I'm resigning. I don't want to have a Google that goes to China with search and censored search. It's not what I'm here for. So this is interesting, and we'll see, as the weeks and the months go by, what's going to happen here. YouTube is rolling out new features where parents will be able to choose exactly what their children can watch. The parents will be able to whitelist channels that they want their children to see, and of course, block anything that they deem is not good. YouTube is very popular among children and teens, so, this might be a nice feature to have, actually. It seems that the Google Pixel owners were surprised to see that the battery saver mode on their device was activated even when the battery was almost full. This is the same feature that is activated on iPhones. And basically it means that when your phone goes below a certain percentage, it goes automatically in battery saving mode to make the battery last longer. And now people have learned that, well, the company can change the settings as it wants. And that is also kind of scary. It did it by accident, apparently, and of course now things are back to normal. Well, a interesting aspect of the launch of Google One is that it seemed to have been a launch that was kind of complicated and left many users without the ability to download and get into the Google One apps and stuff. So Google has actually been trying to make up for for having problems with this by sending some users $5 in credits in the Google Play Store. So if you're one of those, maybe you should check your email. The original Chromebooks were very dependent on the internet connection to help alleviate the problem of the fact that it was very limited. And to do that, basically, Google had launched its offline Gmail Experience app. Now, this app will stop working in December as it deems that it's not necessary anymore. What will be announced here? Everybody's just wondering what is going to happen. October is going to be the month for events, with Microsoft and Google having an event. Now it seems that Samsung is having an event, a Galaxy event. And it just says 4 times the fun. What will be this new device? Google is adding support for fingerprint readers in Chrome for Android in its beta version right now, and that means we will soon be able to use biometrics to sign in to pretty much any accounts through the web browser on Android phones. And after a week of Google removing the www from its URLs in the Google Chrome web browser, user backlash is heavy, and they just updated to put it back. But the company says it's going to go away soon. So, don't think that you've won this war. And this was the Android and Google news for Friday, September 14, 2018. Enjoy our videos. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.